Are you a musical artist on YouTube? Get ready then, because YouTube has rolled out an expanded Artist Analytics Hub for your channel. That's awesome! I know, right? Man, I love you, Tim. You're always bringing the good vibes and the positive news. Thank you so much, man. You have no idea how much I appreciate that. It means so much to me. Now what this is going to do is give you the ability to see real-time expanded analytics for your musical channel, which is really cool because it's going to let you as an artist see how your songs perform across all platforms within YouTube. That's right, every single video in which your song appears or is used by other channels will now be able to be tracked. This is going to give you the ability to see real-time expanded analytics for your videos. And you're going to be able to track all of that real-time progress right from your dashboard, no matter which videos or which channels are using your songs. Yes, that's right, even in videos on other channels. This is such a cool addition that YouTube has made. This is definitely information that you don't want to miss, so sit back because we're starting right now. Hey everyone, what is up? This is Tim Rose, and on this channel I always hit the mark. Make your mark on YouTube as well. If you're new to this channel, welcome. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications right now. So as of July 7th, YouTube has rolled out this exciting new feature. And one of the big reasons I wanted to share this is because it's extremely important for you as a musical content creator to be able to track your progress with your songs, your videos, and across your channel. Up until now, there wasn't really a good way for you to track how your song performed on another channel. Your new hub is called Analytics for Artists, and it's been incorporated directly into the YouTube Studio. And it's available for all official artist channels. Much like gaming channels have things that are specific to their channel as well. This opens up a whole new world for musical content creators. You see, the ability for a musical artist to now see their metrics expanded across all the different channels using their songs is an extremely powerful tool. You're going to be able to group it by device type, gender, age, and other demographics as well. And for artists whose songs end up in fan-made videos, this is an extremely good way to simplify the process and let you see where your songs are being used across YouTube. And this breakdown of the analytics is going to give you, as the content creator, a lot better insight into how your song is performing. That's going to let you know how your music's performing and what direction and what audience you should be targeting. Now you'll have the full picture of exactly how your song is performing on YouTube. It's kind of like just flipping the switch and turning on the lights. No, I said turning on the lights. Honestly, Tim, you always gotta mess up my videos. Now just a quick FYI, this feature is also going to be available on the YouTube Studio app as well. There are so many types of channels on YouTube, and since I have a very diverse audience, my goal is to constantly aim to hit these items and these topics for you, my subscribers. And while I realize that not every single type of video can appeal to every single type of channel, I am working hard to bring you all content that can really help you grow your channel. That's why I am extremely excited to announce a new style of video that I'm going to be introducing on my channel. This new style of video is going to be designed to be a much more relaxed approach, more of a sit down, more of a conversation with each other, where I can answer your questions in a much more direct manner from video to video. And this new style of video is going to be designed to cover a wide range of YouTube topics, and it's going to be designed around a lot more of what my audience wants to talk about. I'm going through a number of changes on my channel. I'm really ramping up my production. I have a new camera coming. There's a lot of amazing upgrades I'm making, and I think that the changes are going to be really positive for you. I'm also going to have a lot of Q&A style videos where I can have more direct communication one-on-one with everybody, and discussions and videos that will range from gaining subscribers to increasing your views, strategies and hacks to analytics and metrics, and honestly anything else that you guys would like to discuss. This new series is going to be posted every single Sunday. But fear not, this will be an addition to my regular weekly video that I do every Wednesday. I'm not going to be doing away with that weekly video because I find that it's such a great way to connect with people and bring hot topic issues to you directly. I plan on working very hard to grow this channel as quickly as I can. That's why this new series is going to be designed around connecting with everybody on such a closer scale. I really want to create a great back and forth and a smooth flow between video to video where I can answer your questions and really connect with each of you in a much closer way. So please drop a comment, let me know what are some of the major issues and topics related to YouTube or life that you want to discuss early on in these videos. I can't wait to see you all there very soon. Now, if you want to make your mark on YouTube, then check out these videos over here. They're really going to help you start to grow your channel. And if you're new to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications. Click my face and you'll do just that. I'll see you in the next video.